So Craft is a shooter type game where you get a hoe and you right click and and it's a one-shot kill, and let's hope we don't do what I just did, and we're gonna begin. Boom, got a guy. Okay, I got a guy. 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 Boom! No, he beat me. Okay, now we're gonna run. Nobody's this way. We can go this way. It's gonna go this way because nobody's here. Nobody's here. Nobody's gonna. No one's gonna beat it. No. Ooh, your boy. Ooh. 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 Dang it. Poop head. Okay, so let's begin, and we're gonna go this way. Go this way. Go to spring. No. Poop. Poop nugget. Dad pooped. Oh, there we go. Okay, so go this way. No. I'm not putting up with that. Not putting up with that crap. What? He's spawn killing me. What in the world? That's not right. That's not cool. That's not fancy. That's not. I'm doing terrible. This is terrible. Oh my gosh. I'm getting so mad at this guy. Thank you. Finally got the guy. Being a jerk butt. Nugget. Maybe. Something. Oh. He won. GG. Yeah, we're probably gonna do another game. Definitely GG. Alright, so, yeah, let's go ahead and we're gonna pick another game. By the way, this is on the Hypixel server. Make sure you check it out. The IP is mc.hypixel.net. It's pretty awesome and swag and oh no. Go in 1 second. Boom. Let's do this. I'm gonna pause it while I'm waiting. I'll be right back. And we're back! Oh my gosh! Alright, so let's get ready. Let's get ready. Okay, ready. Let's begin. What? I wasn't paying attention there. I'll give him that. I wasn't paying attention. That was my fault. Definitely my fault. Oh. This is crap. I don't even have a point. Douche. What? What? Everywhere. I don't like this. This game is being a jerk. There, finally, you got a kill. Spawn kill. On both ends. Pew! You're dead, boy! You are a dead man! I don't like this. I don't like this game. This game's poop. This game is poop! Dang it. Darn it. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Oh my gosh. I'm so bad. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pause it for the last round, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back, and hopefully we don't do as bad as we have done, because this is poop. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it very much. Okay, so, let's see if we can finally win a round. Pew! I'm not liking this game. Come on, for the YouTubes, man. Do you even Minecraft? Boom. Got you. is all about the quicks, the quick stats. And boom! Poop. Someone's over there guarding the area. I gotta get him quick. Yep, he's over there. Like a big butt. Oh my gosh. My God. I'm gonna never win this. I'm never gonna win this. Well, thank you guys for watching me fail. I don't even know. I don't even know. Are those even missiles? Or are you just launching fireworks? I don't know. Leave what you think in the comments, and thank you guys for watching this episode of QuakeCraft. Make sure you check out the Hypixel server. It's mc.hypixel.net. And yeah, so make sure you leave a comment below if you want to see more of this weird fail, I don't know how to play this game videos. And yeah, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.